Hi, I'm Christine Clark. I'm the registered dietitian at Northeastern University, and I'm coming to you today from my kitchen, and I'm going to make a quick and easy smoothie recipe using 4 ingredients. So I will start with spinach, and with spinach it's a great source of some calcium, also a great source of vitamin A and potassium. So we're going to put that in first. I'm going to squish it down to fit it in, and then we're going to add some mango, which is also a great source of vitamin C. We're going to squish that down a little bit. And there's no particular measurements. You can kind of use what you want and just put in what you like. And if you don't have mango, you can add a different fruit in there. You could use pineapple, you could use bananas, you could use strawberries. And if you don't really like spinach, you could use a fruit instead. But spinach is a great mixture in here. It gives a good color once it's all mixed up. And this is yogurt that I'm using, some Greek yogurt. You could use almond-based yogurt or soy yogurt. Either one of those would work well. And I'm going to add in a little bit of milk, so that gives a little bit of a liquid so that it mixes really well. You can use an almond milk or you could use regular milk, either way. That will work. And almond or regular milk are both great sources of calcium. So next I'm going to put this onto the blender, and if I can get the cover on. All right, so I'm gonna put it on here and we will blend it. All right, it's all blended, so we're going to take it off and move around a little bit, and we will pour it into our glass. There we go. It's very thick, which is great. If you want it thinner, you can add a little bit more of the milk to make it a little bit thinner. If you'd like it thicker, you can add a little bit of ice. I used frozen mango, that's what I had on hand, but you can use fresh fruit, you can use frozen, pretty much whatever you might like, or whatever you have on hand. So again, this is a great smoothie for breakfast, or you can have it in the afternoon for a snack, and it's a great source of calcium, protein, some vitamin A, and vitamin C. So enjoy!